So you're at the gym doing bicep curls. You do a few reps and then you start to feel an intense burn in your biceps, and you can tell that your biceps are working. Now that you're feeling this intense burn, you decide to stop the set and put the bar down. You train this way for months on end, but your arms still stay skinny. Why is that? What you're seeing on screen now are a few photos of my growth over 11 months. I gained 12 plus pounds of pure muscle in 11 months. But when I was a beginner, trust me, I too struggled with training right. So how do you train hard enough? Well, first we've got to define exactly what hard enough means. Let's say I decide to do a set of bicep curls with 50 pounds, and the most amount of reps that I can do with those 50 pounds is 10, which means that even with a gun to my head, I can't do the 11th rep. I can attempt it, but I can't complete the 11th rep. So my maximum effort, the most reps I can do with that is 10. I'm probably going to start feeling the burn at around about 4 reps. So I might stop at 5 reps, maybe 6 if I think I'm a tough guy. But even then, even stopping at 6 reps, I still failed to milk that set for as much growth as I could. This is because of a phenomenon called effective reps, which in oversimplified terms just means that the last few reps of a set are more important than the first few reps of the set, because the last few reps are closer to muscular failure. And just to have like a firm definition of failure that's understood by everyone, failure is pretty much when you can't complete another rep using decent form. So going back to the example that we used in the beginning with the information that we have now, if I stopped the set at 6 reps, then I stopped just before the effective reps began. Now, I'm not advocating for anyone to become a masochist and take every single set to failure, because you probably won't be able to recover from that. But in order to make progress, especially if you're more advanced, most sets need to be taken close to failure. Now, I could go deeper into the science and tell you what terms like RPE or RIR mean. That's for my next video, where I show you exactly what training to failure looks like. But here's an actionable step for you today. Next time you stop a set, I want you to ask yourself this one question. If I had a gun to my head, how many more reps would I be able to do? If the answer to that question is more than 2, then you need to start training harder.